This is our Deepam designer premium economic cotton silk sarees. Today I am going to show you different kind of cotton silk sarees. This is a very first saree. The body color is pista green with the checks, minute checks, which has a contrast of pink with a nice golden zari. And this is the pallu, where it comes with the silver and gold weave, and the blouse is in self color, which has a vertical line with a contrast border. This is the second saree of the day. That's a nice authentic yellow with a beautiful Resham thread weave, which has nice beautifully done with the Resham two contrast color. In between there is a silver zari. It has a nice solid border which comes with a small piping border, and this is the pallu part where it has completely zari woven. The blouse is very beautifully brocade with zari, which comes with the 3-inch border. To show you the third saree, which has beautiful bright floral design. The base is on a tissue gold with a nice solid border. The body is which has beautifully woven with the floral design with two contrast, and that is a pallu where it comes very rich, which has beautiful tassel done on it. The blouse is absolutely plain with a tissue gold with a solid border. This is our fourth saree of the day. Baby pink saree which has contrast of red. The body color is baby pink with a nice paisley designs have done on it. Small paisleys are there, and this is the border which has beautifully creeper design with a contrast, and that's the pallu. It has short pallu with the beautiful tassels. The blouse again comes in a self color with a contrast border. This is the fifth saree of the day. This saree is soft cotton silk. It is very soft. The body comes in floral design with shaded color, which has small foil work done on this. The border is on a self color with a zari weave. This is the pallu, short pallu with the tassels. The blouse is in printed. It has a beautiful floral print blouse. Sixth saree of the day. The body is complete tissue gold body, which has beautifully thread weave. Complete saree has got thread weave with a small tissue border. And that's the pallu with the tassels. The blouse comes in self color with a contrast border. 7th saree of the day. This is pure linen silk, pista green color. It has small buttas with the beautiful span weave. The pallu has got tussar weave pallu. The blouse is in self blouse with a thread work woven. And this is the 8th saree of the day. This is a Maheshwari cotton silk saree, which has beautifully floral design on the body. The border comes in antique zari. It has a nice solid border one side. The other side you get a small border. And this is the pallu, where you get printed pallu with short zari. And this is the blouse, which has in self design with a solid antique zari border. This is the 9th saree of the day. This is our Maheshwari cotton silk saree. This saree is very soft. You can use this saree for a whole day. The body color is cream. On that they have done a beautiful dark grey and light grey geometrical design. It has nice solid border one side with a contrast, and this is the pallu. The pallu has got beautifully zari antique. The blouse comes very grand here with a brocade antique zari with a solid border. 10th sari. It's a cotton tissue which has beautiful paisley thread multicolor work. The border is golden solid border with a piping. The pallu is with the tissue gold. The blouse is in pure antique with a border. This is the 11th sari of the day. This is Deepam designer Banarasi cotton silk sari. This design is very famous in Banarasi. This is called it as a Ranga design, which has beautiful woven with the Resham thread weaving. The body color is magenta pink. It has a nice solid border in gold. The pallu comes in golden zari pallu. It has a beautiful blouse to go with this. It is completely weaved with golden antique zari. This is 12th sari of the day. Jamdani Dakai cotton. It is being woven by hand. Complete hand work. You can see each work. It's completely over interlock weaving it is. It has beautiful border with contrast. And that's the pallu. Beautifully woven with complete thread Resham work. The blouse comes very elegant, plain with a small thread work border. This is 13th sari of the day. Jamdani weaving again. The body color is lemon yellow, which has beautiful Resham thread woven throughout the sari again. It is completely interlock woven. This is a border which has beautifully done with a paisley design. It has beautiful rich woven pallu. The blouse is in self with a nice paisley thread Resham woven border. This is the 14th sari of the day. Semi tissue gold sari which comes with a nice floral pulkari work. It has multicolor floral design have weaved with the border is about 4 inch with a nice solid gold. That's the pallu, which has beautiful floral design with a nice tassels edge. The blouse is in tissue gold in self color with a nice solid border. This is the 15th sari of the day. This is a nice mint green cotton tissue silk sari which has antique zari woven with a beautiful Resham thread work. The body has got beautifully multicolor Resham thread work with the antique zari woven. The border comes in nice contrast antique zari with a rust color. This is a pallu which has beautiful antique zari. The blouse is completely woven with antique zari with a contrast border. This is the 16th sari of the day. Beautiful light yellow with a nice contrast of fuchsia pink. The body has got completely geometrical design with golden zari weave. The border has got small diamond design with the zari weaved. And that's the pallu which has silver as well as gold zari weaved. The blouse comes very elegant, plain with a beautiful zari weave for the border. The 17th sari of the day. Beautiful aqua green with a fuchsia pink contrast with a nice geometrical design. The border color is peachy pink with a nice orange piping border. It has a rich pallu which has been woven with the golden zari. The blouse is in bright contrast with a nice zari border. This is 18th sari of the day. Soft linen silk sari which has beautifully done nice resham thread weave. Throughout the sari it has got beautiful floral buttas and golden zari border. It has short pallu with a nice tassels. The blouse comes in self with a nice solid border. This is 19th sari of the day. It's a light peach Dakai handloom cotton. It has nice beautiful multicolor resham buttas in a different shape, and that's the border. It has beautiful border have been woven. This is the pallu which has richly woven pallu. The blouse is on a self with a nice thread work lines. People come from all over the India from different part of place just to buy a sari from Deepam. We have a lovely collection at Deepam. Since 49 years the Deepam is working. If you come to Deepam, you can find all kind of saris in one room. We have 2 branches in Bangalore, one at MG Road, the other one is in Jayanagar. Please visit us. Thank you.